In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zapier for Wix Automations. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with automating your tasks, this guide will walk you through the process with easy-to-follow steps, helping you connect Wix Automations to other apps via Zapier. To start, head to the Zapier website. If you've already set up an account, just click on the Login button. And voila, you should be taken straight into the dashboard once you're logged in. Now, directly on the left sidebar, you'll notice a button labeled Create. This is where we'll kick off the process of making our new automation, known as a Zap. Clicking Create leads you to a drop-down menu. From there, select Zaps, which is basically where all your automations live. A new screen will pop up, which is your editor. Here is where we begin crafting your Zap. Your Zap starts with a trigger. This is the event that initiates the entire process. In our case, we want this trigger to originate from Wix. So go ahead and type Wix into the search bar and select it from the drop-down menu. Next up, you'll need to specify what event within Wix will trigger this whole automation process. On the right sidebar, there's an option labeled Choose an Event. This is where you'll decide. For this example, we're going with events related to forms. So click on Forms from the drop-down that appears. Moving along, it's now time to connect your Wix account with Zapier to allow these two platforms to communicate seamlessly. Find the option labeled Account and follow the simple process of connecting your existing Wix account. Once you have successfully linked your account, your trigger is set, and it's time to decide what action follows next. For this part, click on Action in the editor. The action will involve sending data to another service. For this walkthrough, we'll be connecting to Google Sheets, a fantastic way to manage your data. Once you click on Google Sheets from the list, the editor will prompt you to choose an event again. This time, type in and select Create Spreadsheet Row. Essentially, whenever the trigger event on Wix happens, a new row with the appropriate data will be added to your designated Google Sheet. Finally, you'll need to connect your Google Sheets account on Zapier, completing the loop so that the data flows correctly. Before we wrap up, let's just summarize how this automation works. When a form is submitted on your Wix site, Zapier moves that submitted information over and adds a new row in your Google Sheets spreadsheet. To bring all your efforts to fruition, click on Publish at the top right corner of the editor. And congratulations, your automation is now set up and ready to go. With just these steps, you have created a seamless connection between Wix and Google Sheets through Zapier.